your wife is always right. Name 3 habits to maintain a healthy relationship. As a husband, ang pinaka-habit na masasabi ko is yung isa sa most trending naming topic or most trending naming video.
Ano yun?
Na your wife is always right. Siguro yung aspect na yun is towards myself, towards something I do, and towards something she wants me to do. Kasi towards myself, halimbawa yung pag-inom ko ng mga medicine ko regularly, medyo ano talaga ako makakalimutan, tamad. So I try to do it kasi your wife is always right. Number 2, yung mga ginagawa ko. Usually sa mga things on how to organize things, ano yung step-by-step process to do yung mga bagay-bagay kasi she has her own way on how to do it. And sometimes, aminado naman ako, it works better yung gusto niyang pattern on how to do things. Kaya, I try to do it kasi nga, your wife is always right.
True.
And yung third, on the things that she wants me to do naman, these are things na sa kanya nagagaling. So sometimes she requests me to do something, I try to do it as soon as I can. Alam niyo yung mga issue, mamaya na, o kaya, sige, gagawin ko yan, o bukas na. So kapag may mga ganun siyang factor, I try to remind myself to do it as soon as possible kasi nga your wife is always right. So yun yung healthy relationship.